Keegan, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be doing a dorm room tour. I'm so sorry how long this video took. It took me forever to decorate my dorm room, but I wanted to show you guys it. I go to Arizona State University, in case you're wondering. I live in the business dorm. Super cool, obsessed with my dorm. There's an alarm going off right now. I don't know if you can hear it. This alarm is constantly on, so it's I hope that you guys are excited, and let's get started with the video. So this is what you see when you walk into the room. So we have this little front like entryway area kind of thing here, and then in there is the actual room. Here's the door that we just entered from. To the right of that door we have two little command hooks that my roommate and I just like put our keys on, and just she puts her purse, I put my keys. And then below that we have our trash and our recycling. And then to the left of the door, these are closets. So this is my roommate's closet, this is my closet. I don't wear most of these clothes. I don't know why I brought them. I'm probably gonna bring most of them home. I wear the same 5 outfits like every single week, so it's just, yeah. These dressers came with the room. We decided to put them in here because we just thought it would make the most sense. That's my little laundry basket. These hooks came on it and they're really sturdy. They're really nice. I have some purses and some backpacks. Up here I have some shoes, and then that is from Target, and I have my swimsuits in here. And then here's my closet, and then right here we have this full-length mirror from Target, which is really nice. We love that. And then over here, right here is the door to our bathroom, and we share our bathroom with our suite mates. And our bathroom is actually this entire green color. Like the entire bathroom is that color, and even the ceiling is. So it's very green, very like festive for Christmas. Right here we have this little cart from HomeGoods. This is all my roommate's stuff. Like all this is just her stuff. I run into this thing every single day trying to go to the bathroom. Like I'll be walking and then just hit it, and I have so many bruises from it. That is a dirty rug from Urban Outfitters. And then here's our little sink area. It's very small and cute. We like it. We have some stuff down there, and then in here we have soap, obviously toothbrushes. We have this, I'm not sure where this is from, but it's basically like a sticker whiteboard, and this is all my sorority stuff. Literally all sorority stuff. So yeah, we love a busy sister. Just kidding. Well, I mean, I guess we do. I don't know. Okay, so let's go on into the actual room. So here's this little poof that I trip on a lot. We love that. This is my roommate's side. I don't want to go too much into it because, you know, her stuff, I don't want to like, you know, privacy. We respect privacy. So over here, this is the part that we share. This is a fridge, freezer, and then we have a toaster oven and a Keurig. These aren't even plugged in, so like why are they? I don't know why we have them. And then this is another fridge. I don't really use that much. We have like a Brita in here, and the Brita takes up most of the room. Oh wow, we're not gonna show that. That's a mess. Okay, I'm just kidding. And then this is a microwave. We have a fruit bowl, no fruit, and then this cute little cactus. We have these, I think these are from HomeGoods. And then there's like this little concrete thing. There's also like concrete ceilings. I just thought I'd show you. They're kind of like cool and like industrial. I really like them, I'm not gonna lie. So this right here is the reason why this room tour took so long, because I wanted to wait for our TV situation to be done, but I don't think it's ever going to be done. We initially were gonna mount it, but you're not allowed to mount things into the wall. So we're like, okay. So first day we moved in, we bought a stand for the TV, and it's now October, and we moved in August, and the stand still has not come. I think it's lost in the mail. So I've given up hope for it, and now I'm just filming the room tour with the TV today on the floor. We have this shelf that we were initially going to put the TV on, but look at this, ready? I think it's a little weak for the TV. This printer has been sitting on our floor for 2 months, and last week we finally set it up, so I'm really happy about that. We also have this basket and this little yay thing. I won that in a raffle, and I'm like, wanting to display it. Right here, this is probably from Target. My mom got this for me, and we basically have all of our like cooking and like food utensils. Like I'll show you. Yeah, just like food stuff. This is all clean dishes. They're just drying, so that's our little drying rack. Next to it, we have our desk. We wanted to like have both of us have some like window, you know, for makeup and all that stuff. So the desk came with the room, and we both got these IKEA drawers, and we put them underneath. They're actually a little too tall for the desk, but we made it work. The chairs also came. The chairs are like this like green color. Can you see? I don't know. On my desk, this is mine. So that's from Costco. Then I have my Polaroid there. I like technology. This is from Target. I like to put like my notebooks and stuff when I don't have that class that day. I'll just like put them here. And then this is my little makeup brush holder. It's from HomeGoods. I have my Alpha Chi necklace right here, which is the sorority I'm in. This is from Target. And then I have a bunch of little Polaroids down there that didn't fit on this wall. And then I have some stuff from Bid Day from Alpha Chi. This is from Target. Did I mention that? I don't know. Right here, my roommate was like, you need to bring your subscriber plaque. So I brought it. And then I have all these Polaroids up here to surround it. This one is always crooked, and it just like, I fix it every day, but it just never stays fixed. But my dog's cute, so it's okay. So that's my desk. So over here, I have a little trash can. I have this little ottoman thing that I put shoes in. And I bought this so I could like step on it onto my bed, because my bed bed's kind of tall, but the issue with it is that it's not strong enough, so every time I step on it, I like fall. And it's really kind of funny actually, like let's be real here. So here is my bed in my side of the room. I have like a little bit of a gap right here. As you can see, like her bed, sorry, yeah, so I have a little bit more room on this side, so I don't know exactly what I want to do with that, or if we're just gonna leave that blank, who knows. The lighting isn't the best to show you guys this because there's no lighting in this room. The only light we have is from the window, which should I show you guys the view? So here's our view. The other side of the building has like the best view ever, but at night, this mountain right here, like there's a city right there, so the entire city line like lights up and it's really pretty. So our view is better at night, but it's still cute. Can you see this? It's floor to ceiling, so it's really tall, brings in a lot of light, but there is no light other than that, but that's okay. Where should I start for my bed? This is a dresser from IKEA, and I got these bed risers so it could like be tall enough to have this dresser underneath, and it has so much more storage because the dressers that they gave us just didn't have enough. So I have like camera stuff in there, and then I have like sorority stuff, and I have like clothes, and I have so many things in there, and it's been so nice having it. My bedding is from Urban Outfitters. It's super nice. It's the softest thing ever. My roommate and I actually got the same color bedding, but like as you can tell, hers is like not the same color. I don't know why Urban Outfitters says this and this is rose, but they're obviously not both rose, but it's really pretty. It's super soft. This throw is from Target. Love that. My throw pillows right here, this is from Target, this is from Target Home Goods, and then Nordstrom Rack. Up here I have this little sign that says Alpha Chi Omega. That is the sorority I'm in. I got that from the Social Life. And then just right here, I thought I'd show you this. This is a fan. It broke this week. I don't know how. I just turned it on. It should be on right now, but it's not. It's just broken. It's just, I don't know what happened. It's really tragic. It's really hot in my room right now. And then I have this little thing from Target where I have some blankets, and that's my extension cords that I charge my phone and computer and everything at night. So this wall, let's talk about this wall. It is the best part of my room in my personal opinion. So this wall is yellow. That yellow part of the wall goes all the way over here, and I absolutely hated it. I just thought it looked so bad for videos, just be like really weird orange warm tones. I just was not a fan of it, and I wanted to do this collage originally, and I was just like, the yellow is not gonna look good. It doesn't go with like the pink and the white of our room. I was like, we need to do something about it. So this wallpaper is actually a sticker wallpaper, and it's from Target, and it was like actually fairly cheap. Like this entire thing right here, if the wallpaper wasn't included, it would have been like less than like $20-30. Like it was so cheap. If you want to do something cute with your room, I totally recommend doing this. I DIY'd all of it. I'll tell you guys how. But this wallpaper is a sticker wallpaper. It's from Target, so I can peel it off. It won't like destroy the wall or anything like that. So it's really nice. And I think that like the white brick behind it just makes it look so cute. So these frames are white frames from IKEA that I spray painted gold. And if I were to redo it again, I would have just bought gold frames. I've just had so many issues with the spray paint like chipping, and then like, I don't know if you can see this, but every single time I touch it, like if my body rubs up against it, it like turns darker. Like, do you see the top of that? It's like lighter than that. I don't know why the spray paint does that. Like, can we see that? Like and it doesn't clean either. So if you're gonna do this, I'd recommend just buying gold frames. And then these flowers, I actually made them out of tissue paper, and then I hot glued a paper plate to the back of them, and then I used command tape to put them up here, and I think they look super cute. I'm like obsessed with this wall. I think it's so pretty, and how many times can I say obsessed? Probably a lot. I think it's adorable, and I've never seen anyone do something like it, so I'm really happy about it. So there we go. That is my dorm room. I hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you guys liked my dorm room. I'm obsessed with it. Once again, so sorry for how long this video took to bring you guys, but thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!